In this video, I'll be going over the top 5 high-yield savings accounts that you can open right now with updated APY. A high-yield savings account is a great place to store your emergency fund, short-term savings, or any money that you'll need access to in the near future. I took the time to research all the best high-yield savings accounts, so I'll be going over the pros and cons of each, and go over step by step on where and how to open these high-yield savings accounts. Now, what is a high-yield savings account and why should you open one? Think of how much money you have in your regular savings account right now. How much interest do you actually earn on that? 0.03%, 0.01%? That's honestly pennies. But on the flip side, high yield savings accounts are savings accounts that reward you with higher interest rates compared to your regular savings accounts, which means that your money will grow faster in that account. The higher your annual percentage yield or APY, the faster your money grows inside of the account compared to a regular savings account. Before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Number 5 on today's list is the Discover High Yield Savings Account. Discover is considered to be one of the top 3 online banks in the United States today. They offer great products for every type of customer, including great starter credit cards such as the Discover It secured credit card. Now let's take a look at Discover's site here. Once you get into the site, you can see that they have a 4.3% APY so far. It gives you pretty much a rundown of what they offer versus other major banks such as Chase, Citibank, and Bank of America. So you can see that the annual percentage yield is much higher with Discover at 4.3% compared to Chase at 0.01%, Citibank at 0.1%, and Bank of America at 0.01%. The interest is compounded daily and paid out monthly. The monthly fee is $0. The insufficient funds fee $0, and the minimum opening deposit is $0. Some pros include a high APY of 4.3%, no monthly fees as I mentioned, a great mobile app, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only con I can think of is that it has no physical branch access, but it is an online bank, so you should be good with that. Now, who is this best bank for? It's best for anyone who wants to open a high yield savings account with one of the most reputable online banks in our country and is okay with just online banking. If you're already part of the Discover ecosystem, this is great since you can just streamline all your accounts together. All you have to do to open an account is either go to their website, their mobile app, or call them directly, click open an account, and go through all the steps. Now you're probably wondering, Paul, how much can I make per year with this high yield savings account? Now let's say that this 4.3% APY stays for a whole year. Let's say you put in $20,000 and you put in $0 after that. Over 1 year with a 4.3% APY, you would make $860 in interest earned. Pretty awesome if you ask me. Next up, we have the Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings Account. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is an online-only bank offering high yield savings accounts and is one of the most popular high yield savings accounts as of this year. So we are here on the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website, and you can see that they currently offer a 4.3% APY, which is great. So they're a member of the FDIC right here. And you can invest for your future, do more with Marcus. And yeah, they pretty much explain all the benefits of the account. Some pros of this account is that it has a high APY of 4.3%, but it does go up to 5.3% APY if you refer a friend. They also have no monthly fees on your savings accounts, no minimum deposits on savings, and it's also FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only cons that I can think of is it has no ATM network and no physical branches. Now, who is this account best for? It's best for anyone who wants a completely online banking experience from one of the most popular high-yield savings accounts out right now. And all you have to do to open an account is go into their website here and click Explore Online Savings and click on Open an Account on their online savings account. And once this page loads up, you can just get started and go through all the steps. Now, how much can you make with the 4.3% APY? Let's say you deposit $20,000 with a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year. With the 4.3% APY, you would make $860. That's pretty good. Next up, we have the Capital One High Yield Savings Account. Capital One is one of the most reputable banks in the United States, and they are one of the banks that offer a great high yield savings account that many people use. So looking at the high yield savings account website here for Capital One, you can see that the current APY sits at 4.3%. It has no fees and $0 minimums. You can track your savings on the go through their app. And here's some benefits such as you can open the account in 5 minutes. It's a top rated mobile app and it's FDIC insured. Now, some pros of Capital One's high yield savings account include a solid APY of 4.3%, No monthly fees, no minimum deposits required, no maintenance fees, and it's FDIC insured up to $250,000. The only con that I can personally think of is that it has limited branch access, as full service Capital One branches can only be found in 8 states across the US. Now, who is this account best for? This account fits best for anyone who doesn't mind doing their banking online and is already in the Capital One ecosystem. Now, once you get to this page, it's going to take around 5 minutes to sign up, so go through all the steps and you'll be set. Now, how much can you make with the Capital One high yield savings account? So, looking at the calculator here, with an initial deposit of $20,000, a $0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year with a 4.3% APY, you can expect to earn around $860, which is awesome. Number 2 on today's list is the Wealthfront Cash Management account. Looking at the Wealthfront site here, you can see that this account earns 4.8% APY, which is 11 times higher than the national average. If you go to the rest of the site, you can see all the benefits of the account. Unlimited withdrawals and transfers, get paid up to 2 days earlier with direct deposits, wire transfers for just $10. You can use it with your favorite payment apps, pay bills, and send deposit checks, and transfer to invest in just minutes. The only cons that I can think of is that there's no physical branches and there are fees for cash deposits. Now, who is this account best for? It's best for anyone who wants a high APY with a trusted financial services company. All you have to do to open an account is click Get Started and just go through all the steps. So let's calculate how much can you make with the 4.8% APY. So with a deposit of $20,000, $0 monthly contributions over a period of 1 year, with a 4.8% APY, you can expect to make $960 over a year. Now that is pretty amazing. And last but not least, we have the American Express High Yield Savings Account. American Express is honestly one of the most reputable financial institutions in our day and age. They have super great credit cards that compete with Visa and MasterCard, and these credit cards offer great benefits as well. I personally love my American Express Gold Card as it gives me 4 times points on food, dining, and groceries. So looking at the website here, you can see that it offers a 4.25% APY. It has no minimum balance, no monthly fees, 24/7 world-class customer service, easy access to your money around the clock, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000, and is strengthened by the service and reliability of American Express as a brand itself. Who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who owns Amex products, who want to seamlessly integrate their high-yield savings account into their current Amex ecosystem. To open an account, all you have to do is go to their website, go to their mobile app, or call them directly and click Open an Account, and go through all the steps. Now, how much can you make with a 4.25% APY? So with an initial deposit of $20,000, a monthly contribution of $0 over a period of 1 year, with a 4.25% APY, you can expect to make $850 per year on your money. Pretty good. High yield savings accounts are perfect places to store your emergency fund or any short-term savings. Instead of earning a 0.03% measly interest from a regular savings account, putting your money in a high yield savings account can give you a lot higher interest for your hard-earned money. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.